SAP's missie is to improve 1 billion lives. 1 billion lives in Den Bosch gaat niet lukken, want zoveel mensen wonen hier niet. Maar het is wel een hele mooie start.
Het Data Innovation Lab voor deze week voor geopend.
In Den Bosch we're facing quite some challenges. Going through rush hour, for example, finding a decent parking spot in the historic center. During the Den Bosch Dataweek, we've invited SAP with their Mobile Innovation Lab to come right into the city center to help us solve problems with data. For example, in mobility, for example, in safety, in energy. And we have invited Heijmans, we invited Signify, and we have business students from Avans. 3 days long, they're going to help us solve our challenges we are facing in our city.
Signify gladly joined this session to solve some of the biggest urban challenges of Den Bosch. Lighting playing a big role in making people feel safe, healthy and welcome in a city. And for example, it also can guide people through a city. And today we participate to come up with a fresh take on the matter and see how smart lighting can help Den Bosch become a smarter city.
Well, Heijmans is a company located in Den Bosch for almost 100 years, and we build roads and city infrastructure. What we see is that the structure is generating more and more data, and we're very curious about what we can do with those data to create new smart city concepts, but also new services for Heijmans as a company.
We are going to focus on multiple challenges of the city of Den Bosch. The multiple parties they're representing hardware, buildware and software companies, and we're going to take a look if you combine those solutions, how can we solve problems or challenges for the city of Den Bosch. Because that's the essence of design thinking. We're not focusing on technology on the first place, but you're focusing on the end user. We have 3 kinds of challenges. One is around parking in the city center. Second one is around traffic flow. And the third one is about building a bridge, literally and figuratively, between the old city center of Den Bosch and the newly developed spoorzone on the other side of the railroad.
So we work on a case. It's to improve the connection between the city center of Den Bosch and the sport zone of the city. We would like to have more connection between these 2 parts of the city. We propose to make a kind of really big wall on the city, and they will have some screen on the wall and people can interact with the wall thanks to the smartphone.
We had some good end results, 3 presentations, even people from outside joining in and watching the end presentations. It was good, it was fun, it was exciting.